Alright my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Me don come your screen, me don come your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. The koko now be say, even as the debt profile of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria so just be like mountain, one publication like that for inside World Bank their website dey show say the Nigerian government is still very much hopeful to receive a $1.65 billion loan approval from the World Bank for inside the year 2025. No be small matter like this, my good people. No say for inside next year wey be 2025, the global bank now go dey make key decisions on 3 key projects, and na the Nigerian government now propose the project dem. And based on information wey Anointed Lady TV don gather, my good people, we dey find out say this loan is aimed at addressing some of the developmental deficiencies wey our nation Nigeria dey face currently. And for the first loan project wey carry the title Solutions for the Internally Displaced and Host Communities project, a commitment amount of $300 million has been proposed, and e dey slated from World Bank their approval on the 8th day of April for the year 2025. The Nigerian government now dey claim say this loan wey they wan carry so e go help address the challenges of education and nutrition faced by the internally displaced persons across the green white green country wey be Nigeria. Then also the second project wey carry the title Hope for Quality Basic Education for All. The commitment amount for this project na $553.8 million, and the approved date na the 20th of March for inside the year 2025. Then for the third and the last project, e carry the title Accelerating Nutrition Results in Nigeria 2.0. And you see this third project, my good people, e dey carry a proposed financing fund of $800 million, and the approved date na the 20th of February for the year 2025. And like this now, my good people, the Global Financing Institution, they go dey hold a meeting on the 20th of February for the year 2025. This meeting now na to decide on the project and give subsequent approval where necessary. Now, even as this loan wey the federal government wan collect so from First Bank, e dey aim to help the general public, e dey aim to help we nation Nigeria. Critics now don dey raise concern about the debt profile of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria so. The federal government now they are quick to borrow, but wetin dey carry all the money wey dem borrow take dey do na wetin countrymen dey wonder, because currently now for inside we nation Nigeria, inflation rate e don reach 34.60% for inside the month of November, and this na according to the National Bureau of Statistics wey be NBS. And this 34.60% so e dey represent a 0.72% increment from the 33.88 wey dem record for inside the month of October for inside this year 2024. The rise in inflation now is very much attributed to increment in food prices, exchange rate fluctuations, and hikes in transportation, housing, and utility costs. Food inflation now in particular don jump to 39.93% on a year-on-year basis, driven by price increments in potatoes, yam, guinea corn, maize, grains, rice, beer, palm oil, and vegetable oil. And no be lie, my good people, the average annual rate of food inflation for the 12 months wey dey end for inside the month of November 2024 over the previous 12 months average was 38.67%, which was 11.58 points higher compared with the average annual rate of exchange wey dem record for inside the month of November for inside the year 2023. So wetin all this record, wetin all this analysis now dey try tell the general public be say, since our current president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu enter office, all the policy wey don dey implement so na don bring hardship, na don bring inflation come with country and country people. So as they borrow more money now, we just dey pray make e be say true dem carry am take do nice things for we nation Nigeria and the country people, make e no be as if they come dey put Nigeria into more gbese, because the debt profile of our nation Nigeria, the thing now e don be like mountain, and borrowing more money is not helping at all. Anyhow this informate be for body, my good people, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. But meanwhile, I still get another legit intel with my table like this wey I need share give the general public. and dis informate last e go put smile for the faces of country pipo. The koko now be say our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu don approve free train rides for country pipo nationwide from the 20th day of December 2024 to the 5th day of January 2025. Like dis now, my good pipo, our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu don show love to the general public. Why im do like dis so? Na sake of say e want make transportation costs for decrease, e want make transportation costs for come down somehow during the festive season. The Minister of Information and National Orientation wey be Mohammed Idris na im drop dis announcement so, and im drop am for inside Abuja. And as Oga Idris dey make the announcement for inside Abuja, im come dey explain say dis initiative dey in line with the desire of our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu to calm down the effects of transportation costs, especially for vulnerable Nigerians. According to how Oga Idris take yarn am, he say just like wetin dem do last year 2023, dem don dey do am again for dis year 2024 o. There will be free train service to all country pipo from the 20th of December up until the 5th day of January 2025. Free train service nationwide, and this is consistent with the desires of our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu to calm down the effects of transportation costs, especially to the most vulnerable Nigerians. And no be like say dis na the first time wey dis kind thing dey happen o. No, we go remember say dis kind level happen last Christmas period and Salah period, and our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu don also approve am dis year. And no be lie, my good pipo, the cost of transportation e choke no be small. And now wey be say we don enter festive period, wey be say countrymen go like travel from one state to another or from one corner to another corner. So last dis initiative wey our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu just make so, e nice well no be small. And for those countrymen wey dey yarn say our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu no dey try, when dey hear dis update, they go calm down. And for those men now wey dey like travel by train, they go enjoy am. And for those of our countrymen wey never try to travel by train before, make una go try am now. E dey free from the 20th of this month wey be December 2024 to the 5th day of January 2025. So dis my good pipo na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Our hobby na to dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, now you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. And abeg try make you dey share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. No go anywhere.